Good morning students. Today we are going to learn prose section last lesson 1.6 Tiger Hill. This particular lesson let us discuss icebreaker. This icebreaker is provided in order to aware your previous knowledge regarding this um, topic and also to increase your interest regarding this topic also. Ajay and Sujay went to watch a cricket match. They enjoy it very much, but they missed their friend Vinay and Sunay. Next day, when the four friends met, Ajay reported how the game was played, how the players performed, and how the game ended. Sujay told them that they miss Vinay and Sunay very much and they were eager to tell them about the enjoyment. Now complete the following sentences. Ajay reported about that dash. Sujay reported about that dash. Now second activity regarding this icebreaker is concerned. The word report means. Guess the meaning of the report word. Give a spoken or written account of something. Cover an event or subject as journalist or reporter. Refer to standard dictionary and find out the meaning of the following word. Reportage. Reportage means the reporting of the news by the press and broadcasting media. Reporter. Reporter means a person who report something. Reported speech we use indirect speech. This particularly in indirect speech we use reported speech. Reportorial means this word is relating to the reporter. Now second activity regarding icebreakers is concerned. Find and discuss some examples of report related to the given topic. Award distribution, bravery award, and any social issue that may be plantation of trees, plantation of trees as well as water saving campaign, or we may be eye donation campaign, etc. You might have read war stories and watched war movies. Make a list of the factors which make them interesting, just like a border or Uri type movies. General Ved Prakash Malik, PVSM and AVSM, served as the 19th Chief of the Army Staff of the Indian Army from 30th September 1997 to 30th September 2000. He was the Army Chief during the Kargil War. He is the recipient of the Param Vishishta Seva Medal and Ati Vishishta Seva Medal and Raksha Medal. Kargil from Surprise to Victory is an account of Kargil victory on the 4th July 1996 by General Ved Prakash Malik. It is the finest example of how to write a report. He described the event in minute detail but without the slightest depiction of the emotional involvement he had in it. Tiger Hill is an extract from the book Kargil written by General V.P. Malik. Tiger Hill. Tiger Hill tower majestically above all other mountain tops in its vicinity. Although located almost 10 km north of Srinagar Kargil Leh highway, the enemy position on this mountain top dominated part of this highway. Means on particular that Kargil Srinagar highway the 10 kilometer from this location, there is a Tiger Hill, one of the, we can say, majestically about the top position mountain, or we can say hilly area, and here this particular place was captured by the enemy, and after recapture of the tolling and adjacent future, evicting the enemy from the well fortified position become priority. And here Indian Army's priority was that to remove this enemy from this highway positions, Tiger Hills, that mountain top position, and to recapture that particular place to in service of the Indian government. As the sharp triangular top of the Tiger Hill was clearly visible from the highway and appear almost impossible to capture. And this was a triangular, that this topmost post, or we can say highest position of this Tiger Hill is we can say very hard to capture the enemy, and it was visible from highway also, and appear almost impossible to capture. This was the triangular, means one point is it is on the high position, another point is that it is visible from the highway, and third position is that it is hard to capture, and it is impossible to capture. The media had projected the entire episode as national challenge, and this issue was become one of the national issue and national challenge, and media has made the episode of this particular war situation of the Kargil war. Brigadier MPS Bajwa, commander 192 Mountain Brigade, assigned the mission of capturing Tiger Hill to 18 grenadiers, now rested and recouped. Means Mr. Bajwa tried to recapture, tried to get back this area, and this Bajwa was assigned, he was appointed to do that Hercules task. After their achievement at Tolling and Hum, and the 8th Sikh which was already deployed at its base, and deployed means government order, we can say this 8th Sikh, this particular we can say one of the soldiers team name, and this team was appointed for that government, appointed by the government to do that types of activity. Both these units were assisted by crack team from the high altitude warfare school with maximum possible artillery. Artillery means we can say heavy weapon. They were carrying the heavy weapon or big size gun which are moving on the wheel. Engineering and other combat support. Other essential support or requirement or important things was carried by them. Throughout the last week of the June 1999, 18 grenadiers probed to establish the extent of the enemy's defense and to scout for suitable routes. And on June 1999, 18 grenadiers tried to scout. When this particular team was doing their movement route for the assault, and they was making a physical attack on enemy, and they was trying to make a particular route to do that types of attack on the enemy. Simultaneous multi-directional assault emerged as the best strategy. And while doing any types of war attack, the enemy, or sorry, the soldier, or particularly Indian army, or every country's army, do certain types of plan, certain types of strategy, how to attack on the enemy. The commanding officer of 41st Field Regiment drew up an elaborate artillery, and the commanding officer used the elaborate, means we can say large amount of weaponry, fire plan, and individual guns were ranked up so as to cover each objective. Before, guns were used in a direct firing role once again, with inspiring accuracy, and there was direct firing of gun which was inspiring accuracy on the enemy. On the day of assault, on the day of particular attack on the enemy, nearly 120 field and medium guns and 122 multi-barriers grade rockets, launchers, and mortars rained death and destruction on the enemy at the Tiger Hill. Mortar means here the shotgun for firing of bomb was also using, and there was a totally death and destruction, and we can say defeat of the enemy on the Tiger Hill. The Air Force too targeted Tiger Hill. On 2 and 3rd July and hit the bull's eye several times during its mission. Means the enemy was scattered out, or enemy was distracted due to the both or multi-dimensional attack of the Indian Army. For the first time in Indian military history, a TV channel covered the battle live. This was the first battle, first we can say war, which was covered by the TV channel or news channel online, just like a cricket match or football match, a sign of progress and transparency. This is the one of the example to the world that how in transparent, how and honestly we are also attacking on our enemy also. The Tiger Hill feature extend about 2,200 meter from the west to east and about 1,000 meter north to south. This is the, we can say, extension of that area, the Tiger Hill's particular measurement. The main extension is toward the west, on which there are two prominent protrusion. Protrusion means a thing that extend from the place, and from the surface something that stick out. The first, approximately 500 meter west of Tiger Hill, had been named India Gate, and second, Helmet, located another 300 meter away. Means first 500 meters place is called India Gate, and the second 300 meters away place is called the Helmet. Approximately one company of the 12 Northern Light Infantry, Pakistan, held the whole feature. At 19:00 hours on 3 July, 18 grenadiers commands its multi-directional assault under the cover of bad weather and darkness. On 3 July, there was a atmosphere somewhat bad, and weather was not suitable to attack. supposed by the firepower of artillery and mortars. But these 18 grenadiers used their artillery with their big size gun which are rolling on the wheel, and mortar means short gun which are utilizing for firing of the bomb. A company capture an intermediate position, and A company of the Indian soldier capture intermediate, means we can say middle level position called Tung by 1:30 hours on 4 July. Further advance along the southern east spur. Spur means here an area of high ground. Area of high ground extending from the mountain or hill. Means suppose this is the area. Suppose this is the hill. On that hill, there is a flat surface that is called spur, leading to the Tiger Hill. Tiger Hill top was tall due to accurate fire by enemy from Indian Gate. There was accurate firing from the enemy due to the accurate fire by the enemy from Indian Gate, and it was very hard to attack on the enemy by the Indian army, and the helmet and top. These are the three positions. Meanwhile, Captain Sachin Nimbalkar lead the D company assault from the east, and these D companies, Captain Sachin Nimbalkar attack on the enemy from the east side. His company had to negotiate steep escarpment using mountaineering equipment despite the darkness and inclement weather. Means it was we can say slippery highest area, and at that time there was weather was also not supporting, and they was carrying the heavy weapons, and despite, instead of all this difficulty, they overcome all this difficulty and darkness and bad weather, and they attack on the enemy. His approach took enemy by surprise, and enemy was in consideration that in this situation nobody can reach at them. But this D team of Sachin Nimbalkar reached at enemy. After some firefighting, D company was successful in occupying the eastern portion of area Kolar, which lay within 100 meter of Tiger Hill top. Means at the Tiger Hill top 100 meter position, Sachin Nimbalkar's D team occupied that particular area. Means they own that area. On another front, C company and Ghatak commando Plantos under Lieutenant Balwan Singh also surprised the enemy, this time along the difficult northeast spur, and obtained the toe hold just 30 meters from the top. Means at the Tiger Hills only 30 meters position, this C company was under the leadership of Lieutenant Balwan Singh owned that particular area, and this was the sudden shock for enemy. Second sudden shock for enemy after the Sachin Nimbalkar team. At 4:00 hours on 4 July, after a carefully orchestrated artillery bombardment, Sachin Nimbalkar and Balwan Singh along with their men approached the Tiger Hill top by climbing a sheer cliff and caught the enemy unaware. And these both team of Balwan Singh and Sachin Nimbalkar was we can say a rainfall of the firing on the enemy, and the enemy was unaware of this sudden attack. After a spell of hand to hand fighting, after a short time fighting, they succeed in capturing the objective, although 80 grenadiers held the top. And after some time, they captured that Tiger Hills area. Now, linking up with them was not easy. When initial surprise were off, the enemy started gearing up for launching counterattack. And then, after some time, the enemy was aware and they was making the counter attack on the Indian army. And how was the further situation and what was the difficulties or what was the, we can say, result of this particular warlike situation, we will see on the second part of this lesson.